it's the sum of a company's internal and external communications activities. And in its designed to really influence the perception among stakeholders of the company or organization, and obviously trying to gain a very favorable perception of your brand, organization, company, which, as Rich mentioned, is very difficult in a rapidly changing digital world today. And I think, all of us have seen how a company's reputation can just change on a dime. And I remember the day when social media really came to the forefront and Twitter became a big thing. And a tweet that just completely changed my entire day and spun it out of control in terms of crisis communications. So I think corporate communications can involve media relations, consumer public relations, investor relations, government relations, community relations, employee relations, and it's managing all of these and being as transparent as possible and cohesive as possible with the same consistent message internally and externally. It is like being a conductor of an orchestra and making sure everything is in harmony. It's not an easy job, but I have to say, having done it for as long as I have, it's definitely one of the most rewarding. Rich, would you agree, disagree?
I agree completely. I think it is that sort of basket of functions that become the I don't want to repeat everything excellent Kelly said. So I will add to that it's sort of the summation, the chief storytelling functions for an organization, whether you're looking at that in terms of a corporate brand and narrative, whether you're looking at how you tell stories financially, how you tell stories using data, and how you engage and hear and incorporate the stories of the people that have stakes in your organization and your the things that you do as an organization are really critical. So 100% rather agree with Kelly, and I would add that it's really about finding the right methodologies for the right situations, the right people, the right timing to tell the best possible stories we can, and to enrich our own experiences, by listening to the stories of others who have a stake in our organizations.